Well, just picked this up today. Thought I'd do a opening of the box. Newer model 2500 Champion 1850 running. It's 11.5 hours running at a quarter of 53. So it's supposed to be ultra quiet, light, easy to start, cold weather start, everything like that. USB adapter. It's parallel ready, but it comes separately. You get some oil with it. You get a USB adapter. You get technical support, 3-year warranty. They give you a little diagram of power at the same time and individually. And just tell you what's inside the box: funnel, oil, USB adapter, and then the generator. Limited warranty with parts and labor. Give you a little diagram of wattage, reference guide. And there's the specs of what it is, 2500. Running, engine size, gas, oil, everything you need to know about it. And there's your easy controls. Alright, let's see what's inside. Yeah, I cut that one off. Needed it for something else. So, look at that, got a funnel here. There's the little USB adapter. Can't get it out. And some oil. 5W, half liter. That's all it takes to fill it up. And so you can open that. There we go. Nothing too fancy. There's something to plug in their logo on it. Wrapped in plastic. If I can just pull that out. booklet, pamphlet, manual, owner's manual, some kind of free offer to their shirt.